Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have never started a video while eating, but here I am heading to London for an exciting day of food. So I thought it's time to do a day in my life. And before I head to London, I'm just having some breakfast. So I have got here slices of sourdough and I've got some mayo chicken which I made yesterday. There is a recipe for this on the channel in case you're interested, and I've topped it with some garlic and chili chutney recipe on the channel. Healthy-ish start to the day, and it'll keep me going till I get into London. So let's go. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. I'll show you actually, I made a little tub of this. I gave it to kids for their lunch. I'm gonna have it and then I can use it for the next couple of days. Here it is. So the chicken is either poached or cooked on a pan, and then you put it on some sourdough with some chili, optional, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so my first stop is some lunch. I'm going to try a place where I've not been before, which is always very exciting, and I've roped in a friend so I can have a catch up with him while we try this place where I've not been before. So let me take you to the restaurant. So I am going to Officina. There it is. And I am going... Oh, there is me. Hey! Starting with this lovely Italian mineral fresh wine.
There we go.
And my friend here is Alex. And you must recognize him because he came to my house to make filo.
That's true, that's true.
Yeah. We're starting with some olives. And this wine is actually really light and lovely. Very refreshing for a lunch. This is tuna ceviche. And this is
Con lasagna e provolone and garlic pesto. Buon appetito.
oh, lovely.
This is good.
Okay, so this is pasta filled with burrata and then topped with lemon butter, and it does look really good. The starters were incredible, so I am hoping that this is going to be really nice as well. So this is like Nonna style pizza. So they are like thick pizzas. Look at that. And this one is, I can't remember now. It's got aubergine in it. Look at that. And how is the food so far?
Great.
Good?
Loving it. Thank
Good. I think I agree with this. Wholly and completely and solely. So they make everything in-house. So they make all the pasta, all the pastries. You can see everything is made in-house here. The breads, the sourdough, the focaccia. Such a sweet, cool little place. So for the dessert, I have obviously called for tiramisu because, you know, I love a tiramisu and I need to try this. It's got a cornetto coffee in it. Let's see what it's like. Ooh. It's got a different coffee flavor. So I'm stopping at Olier Stay to get some cinnamon buns, and this is what I've got. And I'm having a little piece right now. So the lunch was amazing. I'm back in the underground. The lunch was great. Not only was the food good, tiramisu was fab, and I got to catch up with my friend whom I haven't seen for over a year. If you want to check out his filo pastry recipe, do check it out on the channel. It is a good one. and I just stopped at Orleans Tea. If you're ever around it, I would highly recommend it for their cinnamon buns because they're next level. They're the best cinnamon buns I've ever had, ever. I've taken one for my kids because they love it too. Now I'm heading for my next stop, a coffee stop. So let's go. So I have now come to a totally different part of London. I know when I make plans or when people say, oh, come to, are you coming to London? Come see me. Sometimes to get from one point to another, it could be an hour and a half, which is how far away I live from London. I've come to the other corner because I wanted to see a friend and catch up with him. So here I am, and we can get some coffee. It's slightly quiet apart from where I was right now, which was Covent Garden. I am a little bit outside now. So let's go find him. So in a little cafe to get some coffee. You've got all the bakes. Finished coffee with Jeremy Pang, who was on the channel last summer. So I'll leave the link to that
Calamari
video.
sandwich.
Yes, calamari
I still
sandwich.
dream about it.
Actually, I need to remake the calamari sandwich. It was so good.
That's one of my favorites.
It is actually. Yeah. So I'm heading to my next stop, which is actually an Indian-inspired bakery, and it sells chai. It's called Chai Guy's Bakehouse, and I have been meaning to go there for ages because I have been to Chai Guy's but never to Chai Guy's bakery. So I'm looking forward to some Indian flavored bakes and chai, of course. And here I am. I am having a samosa bake, so like a puff pastry with samosa and some masala chai, because they do a really good chai, and actually they sell it in jars as well. I've got some at home. Nice little cafe. And I am here with Jane. Jane has also been on my channel before, where we made cookies.
Oh, they were so good.
Yeah, they were so good. So I'll leave the link and you can check it out. So this is the chai. They sell different flavors. That's masala chai, karak chai, kesar chai. I am here at my next stop of Dawn Books because I'm here for my friend Martha Collinson's book launch. Oh, there is a book. Oh, pull up a chair. Right, go in. I'll follow you. Let's go find Martha. And there is Martha, looking stunning. Hey! Oh, doesn't she look gorgeous? Right, let's go find some familiar faces and say hello. Okay, there's the feed. And apparently all the food is from her recipe book, obviously. Looks amazing. So the book launch was amazing. It's like a great event to catch up with friends, see people sometimes you haven't seen for months or years, and in Martha's case it was really nice to support a friend on her book release, and yeah, it was a lovely evening. So nice to see so many familiar faces, say hello to them, and yeah, met her family after a very long time. So it was all in all a lovely evening. I'm back at the station on the train heading back home, but not before. I got a little snack for the train because it's a long train journey and I'm not crazy hungry, but I wouldn't mind a snack. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. So I got some chicken bites from Shake Shack Chicken Bites, and I also got a little onigiri from Prawn One. So that is my train journey snack all ready for the road. So all that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you're going to let me know your thoughts in the comments. I look forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you back from my very own kitchen with a delicious recipe very soon. Till then, bye and good night.